Now in Balik Pulau Penang, some 200 people had to be evacuated after their homes were damaged by a freak windstorm last night. According to the State Welfare Department, around 500 houses were reported damaged in Sungai Rusa, Permatang, Pasir and Sungai Pinang. Other affected villages were in Kuala Jalan Baru and Pantai Acheh. The storm uprooted trees, including large ones, and tore off roofs of houses. Villagers said the wind was so strong that it even blew motorcyclists off their machines.
Okay, mula-mula angin tu dia slow je tau. Lepas tu bila dah lama tu makin laju. Jadi tengok keadaan bumbung pun dah terbang mata. Semua orang jadi panik, lari mai ke masjid.
Angin sangat kuat sampaikan kita takut nak keluar daripada rumah. Dan kerosakan saya adalah bumbung rumah telah dibawa angin lah. Dan saya takut sekarang ni kalau hujan lah. Kalau hujan mungkin lagi buruk lah.
The Meteorological Department said the wind was known as angin langkisau with a speed of 50 kilometres per hour. 3 relief centres has been set up to house the victims.